Oh my God. Why did I think this was like a lip balm? Oh my God, I look like a hooker. A bad hooker at that. Hi everyone, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Nikki. Today, I'm coming to you very casual. I was just watching some YouTube videos. I've got my t-shirt on, my headband on, and I saw this video that people are doing trying low-rated makeup, and I thought, that looks so much fun. This is kind of how I'm getting video ideas now. I'm just watching people's videos. I think the video that I saw was Tati. If you don't know who she is, I think she has like 4 million subscribers here on YouTube. I'll leave a link to her video down below. She did, I think, Sephora makeup. So I'm doing Amazon. So I scoured through Amazon. I tried to find the lowest rated makeup possible. Surprisingly, a lot of makeup, well, I shouldn't say surprisingly, a lot of makeup on Amazon is very highly rated. If you didn't know, Amazon sells everything. High-end makeup, medium-priced makeup, affordable makeup. So I found the lowest of the lowest rated makeup, and we're going to just try it out, have some fun. I'm hoping it's not a total disaster because I want to film like 5 videos today, so I'm hoping I can leave this makeup on. So let's just jump into it. Surprisingly, all of the low-rated stuff that I found is all drugstore. I was a little sad about that because I was like, why aren't any of these high-end brands low-rated? So, all right, so let's start with brows. I couldn't find a low-rated brow pencil, so I'm just going to use, you guys know that you can use makeup multi-purpose. I'm gonna use the CoverGirl Perfect Blend Eye Pencil in Charcoal because my eyebrows are completely black. Oh. My phone alarm's going off. I'm going to use this on the brows. When I saw the reviews for this, I think it had 2.5 out of 5 stars. I'll leave a link to everything down below. Remember, reviews change, so it may go up, it may go down, but when I bought it, it was pretty lowly rated. Lowly rated? That's not right. Low rated. This is what it looks like. Your typical brow pencil. Well, any kind of pencil. I'm not sure why it's so low rated. Maybe it's not super pigmented. Huh? Oh no, it's gray. Can you see that? It's gray, but on the website it was black. What? Well, I guess the name is charcoal. It says blendable, color, water resistant. But usually when it's charcoal, isn't it black? Am I having a ditz moment here? I cannot put this on my brows at all. So that's already a fail. I was hoping to be able to use that on the brows. That ain't happening. I picked up another, what is this? This is the Perfect Point Plus. A lot of CoverGirl products are very lowly rated on, lowly? I don't think that's a word. Let me know in the comments down below. Is rated poorly, and I don't know why, but this is the CoverGirl Perfect Point Plus Eye Pencil. It's a self-sharpening tip, perfect line, easy to apply, and this is in Midnight Blue, something else I can't wear on the brows. So I'm gonna go do my brows off camera. I'll be right back, and then we'll move on. This is already starting out to be a fail, friends. Already. Okay, so I just quickly did my brows off camera. I used it, I can talk, I promise. I used my trusty Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in Ebony. You guys know I love that stuff. I'll leave a link to it down below. I didn't do that great of a job. I would say today my brows are not sisters. They're not even cousins. They're probably not even from the same family. They look crazy. But we're gonna keep going. Next up, we're going to use the CoverGirl. I'm telling you, I don't know why so much CoverGirl stuff is, I was going to say lowly, is poorly rated on Amazon. I think this had 3 of 5 stars. This is the Ready Set Gorgeous Concealer in the shade 105 110. Okay, so which shade is it? I guess that's the number. 105 110. So I was thinking I could use this under the eyes, down the bridge of the nose, and I also like to use a very light concealer under my eyebrows just to kind of make my eyebrows look lifted and nice and clean. I just love using a light concealer under the brows. Do any of you like doing that? Am I like old school? Is that 80s now, like out of style? I still do it. I've been doing it for years. I love the way it looks. I really like the packaging of this. It's really simple, really pretty, and it looks very light, very light. Let's see what the applicator looks like. We've got a little doe foot applicator. Let's do a swatch. Oh, Jesus. I almost cussed. I'm trying not to cuss as much. That is very light. Ooh, Lord. I don't know if I should put this video is going to be such a fail. I am going to have to wash all of this off. I'm speechless. I don't think I've ever used anything this light on my face in my life. That is very, very ivory. There's no yellow undertone, nothing. I picked up another concealer. This is the L'Oreal Paris Visible Lift Serum Concealer Corrector, and this is in the shade 120 Fair. Why did I get so much stuff in Fair? This was very poorly rated. I think this had like 1.5 stars out of 5, which is pretty bad. This is what it looks like. I think these are all too light. And it has a twisty top. You twist it up and the product comes out of that brush. Let's swatch it. Okay, this is a little more, this is a little deeper than the CoverGirl one. I think you can see, like this is just stark white almost. And this one has a little bit of a yellow undertone, very little. So let's put some of this under the brows and just see. I'm gonna have to wash all this off. It's very liquidy. I just like to use my finger for this step. Oh boy. Oh boy. Clown makeup, here we come. I've tried blending this as best as I could. I did like the applicator. The consistency, it feels very liquidy. And I don't really like that consistency in a concealer because I feel like it's just going to kind of slide off my face as the day goes on. It's not the perfect color that I would choose. I've tried to blend it as best as possible. And I find it to be very sheer once you kind of blend it out. So I don't know if that would give me really good coverage. I don't think it would be my go-to concealer. So let's just keep moving. Let's start out with this palette we have from Maybelline. Let me open it up so you can see it. So this is the Maybelline Expert Wear Sunlight Bronze Palette, and this is an eyeshadow quad, and it says 500 Sunlight Bronze. This had 2 stars out of 5. Oh, Maybelline. I feel so bad. I don't understand why all these affordable products were so poorly rated. So, as you can see, we have a very pale light shade here. We have a golden shade, deeper shade, and then a brown shade. So it says the number 1, this one is for base, number 2, lid, 3, crease, 4, liner. I'm not gonna follow that because I just don't. Let's start with number 3. It does say to put that in the crease, which looks really shimmery, so that's kind of scary. I think I'll use number 4, the liner in the crease. So let's get a little brush and get to it. Let's do a swatch first. Can you see that? And, oh no, I am not putting that in the crease. I'm glad I swatched that. It's a shimmery kind of gray tone. It looks really pretty. I actually like that swatch, but I'm not putting that in the crease. Let's try the 3rd shade, the number 3 that they say to put in the crease. Why in the hell would I put that in my crease? Look at how shimmery that is. If I put that in the crease, that's, no. I'm not really sure what to do here because I typically never put shimmer in the crease. I'll try it. That's what Maybelline says to do, so let's just try it. Oh my God, can you hear my dog snoring? Coco, wake up. All he does is sleep all day. That looks absolutely crazy. I don't know. Maybe it'll take some getting used to. Do any of you put shimmery colors in your crease? I always have just put matte colors in the crease. I just feel like this is giving me 1970s vibes, like I'm about to go to a disco. No, I don't like that. So that color was pretty, the lid color. It's just a really pretty pigmented gold shade. And I think I showed you a swatch of it. I think it's really pretty, actually. I really like it. Yeah, I swatched this for you. So this is the color right there. It applies nicely on the eyes. It goes on smooth. I can kind of tell that it's going to be creasing later because it's a little bit chunky. It's almost thick. But I can't get over that shimmer color in the eyes on the crease. That just looks crazy to me. So we're going to be done with this palette now. Let's move on to another eyeshadow that I picked up. This is the Maybelline Expert Wear eyeshadow in Pneumono teal the deal. That's funny. So it's a really, really pretty teal color. Let's open it up and see what we got. So this is what the color looks like. That looks honestly beautiful in the pan, and I love how big the pan size is. Ooh, look at that swatch. I feel like sometimes drugstore shadows are misleading because you'll swatch them with your finger, and then when you apply them on the eye, they look like this. What happened? They're so pretty when you look at that pigmentation on the finger. Let me put this finger down. Oh no, it's the middle finger. Sorry, I'm not flipping you off. So look at the pigmentation on the finger, and then when I swatched it, how streaky and powdery it is. I hate when that happens. I'm just gonna try to pack it on. I really wanted this makeup look to work. Like, I didn't want this to be a fail video. I wanted to try to make makeup that other people say sucks work, but I don't know, it's really sucking. So, okay, let's put that on the outer corner of the eye and see how it applies. I think I'm gonna have to keep reapplying and reapplying until I get the color pigmentation I want. Ugh. Look at that, it looks gorgeous on the brush. Let's see what happens on the eye. It's just powdery and not as pigmented. I understand why this is so poorly rated. It's beautiful when you swatch it on your hand, not when you're on your hand, when you swatch it with your finger, but then when you apply it on the eyes, it's just a washed out color. Like, look at it on my eyes and look at it in the package. It looks nothing like what's in the package. It doesn't apply that way. You have to keep reapplying. This eye look is horrendous, friends. I honestly can't get over this shimmer crease color. I just can't get down with it. I do not like it. And I just think it's very odd that they tell you to put that in the crease. But hey, to each his own. Maybe some people like that. I can see it looking nice on someone, but it ain't looking good on me. So I am not liking this eye look. And it's a shame about this little Maybelline color because it's gorgeous in the package. It swatches gorgeous on the fingers you guys saw, but then when you apply it, it's powdery, it's streaky, and it looks nothing like the color in the package. So we're just gonna keep going. I have tried this mascara many times because I saw a lot of people back in the old days. If you've been watching YouTube for like 5 years, everybody was loving this mascara. This is the Physicians Formula Organic Wear Jumbo Lash Mascara. It says 100% natural, 70% organic bio. It says big, thick, dramatic lashes. This does diddly squat for my lashes. I understand why this is so poorly rated on Amazon. I think it had 2 out of 5 stars. And I wanted to like it because it's like organic. It's supposed to be good for you. It's called Black Organics from Physician Formula. Oh, God, you'll see. First of all, packaging, gorgeous, shimmery green. You open it up, very thick, beautiful, densely packed brush. And then you put it on your eyes and nothing happens. At least not for me. Nothing. Nothing. It's like I'm putting nothing on my lashes. And I've tried this mascara many times over the years because it's like maybe I'm not putting enough on. Maybe I'm not doing it right. I'd say that lengthened my lash about nothing. I'm sorry. Like, I'm looking at the difference. It is making my lash look a little bit thicker, but considering how much I'm trying to pump and get on this brush, there ain't much happening. There's just not enough happening for me. It just doesn't do enough for me. If you like maybe a very natural lash look, and you got the time to just sit here and pump and keep reapplying, you might like this, but I don't. I still don't like it. I've tried it. I've given it enough tries. It's just, I can't do it. All right, now that we've got no mascara on, let's try out this CoverGirl Perfect Point Plus eye pencil that I talked to you about earlier. It's a self-sharpening tip, and it'll give you the perfect line, it says. So let's see. Let's swatch it here. Ooh, it's a really pretty blue. It almost looks kind of black, and it went on pretty nicely. I should have done this before the mascara, but let's give it a try. Why is it not showing up on the eye? There we go. You've got to push pretty firmly. Almost kind of painful. You need to push down pretty firmly to get the color. Oof. Like pretty firm. All right, you've got to push down very firm to get that color, or else you're not going to get much color payoff. Like on my hand, you see how pretty that is, but I'm pushing pretty firm. You don't want to push that firm on your eye. So with the natural hand weight, I'm pushing. I'm not getting that much color. It kind of hurts. So, oh boy, friends. All right, let's keep going. I couldn't find any poorly rated foundation. Everything on Amazon, even drugstore foundation, was pretty highly rated, like 4 stars and up. So let's move on to lip products. Let's see. First up, we have another Maybelline product. This is the Maybelline Baby Lips Color Bomb Crayon. I remember when these came out, I used to see them everywhere. And I don't hear anyone talking about them anymore. Maybe because they're not that great. Let's see. Let's give it a try. What shade is this? This is the shade Pink Smooch. It's with moisturizing oils. Woo! Oh my God. Why did I think this was like a lip balm? Oh my God, I look like a hooker. A bad hooker at that. Hi, my name is Chocolate Thunder, and I'm here to satisfy any of your makeup needs. I've got the baby lips, the beautiful eyeshadow. Call me anytime you need me. Bye. Okay, friends. I probably should have swatched this first. For some reason, I thought this was just going to be like a sheer, like lip gloss, but this is a full-on bright pink, and it's showing every single line I have in my lip. Like, I don't like the formula. It's weird. It's chunky but thin. I understand why this is not rated very well. Oh my God. I wanted to finish this video, friends, but I think we're officially done. Yeah, I think we're done. I mean, there's no saving this. There's just no saving it. So the only other things I had left anyways was the CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous Concealer, which I'm just not going to use because it would look horrible on me. I also have the L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Blush, and this is the shade Rosy Outlook. This was poorly rated. I'll leave a link to it down below. I've never tried this blush, but I couldn't find a poorly rated foundation, so we'll just move on. This is a product I actually did try like a year or two ago. This is the Maybelline Vivid Hot Lacquer, and this is in the shade Slay It 82. My favorite color. It's purple. I remember trying this, and when I put it on, it just went everywhere. It does not stay put. Look at how pretty it is. I loved the color. I remember thinking, oh my God, I love this color. It's beautiful. It literally smeared all over my face within like 10 minutes. It's a gorgeous color. Does it have a smell? Yeah, it smells like black licorice. It's a shame. I really like this color, but it's very poorly rated on Amazon. So, and I also had the CoverGirl Outlast Moisturizing Top Coat. I didn't even know CoverGirl made this stuff. You guys know I said one of my New Year's resolutions this year was to try some more, some new, oh, this is basically like a lip balm, was to try new. Oh my gosh, I just looked at myself in the screen and I'm seeing what you guys are seeing. I look like a broke down hooker. Did you appreciate that little clip from Chocolate Thunder? Hopefully I left that in. I don't even know if I left that in. I got that name because when I was a cocktail server, the guys at the restaurant, I've always had thick thighs my whole life, no matter if I'm like the slimmest I've ever been or the biggest I've been. I always had thick thighs. So when I would like walk in my little cocktail dress, they'd be like, ooh, here comes Chocolate Thunder. I hated that name, but it's kind of stuck in my head. Anyways, tangent, I look a hot ass mess. I'm going to get off camera right now. I'll leave a link to everything down below if you want to check it out. Let me know if you guys want to see me do like Sephora low rated makeup, Ulta low rated, maybe CVS low rated makeup. We could just do a lot of fun things with this. So I'm going to get off camera now. I hope you have a great day. Don't forget to check out the videos on the screen. Subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the bell. The bell next to the subscribe button will make sure that you get notified every time I upload or go live, and I will see you soon. Bye.